So good morning to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about Compocom share. So first we'll discuss what are the latest updates on the stock. So today the stock has given almost 4% upward move. So currently it is trading near 7.6 rupees level. So it is a penny stock. So people who don't know about it, so we'll discuss even the fundamentals of the company so that entire idea will be present, and then we'll switch over to the volume analysis to find out the next set of targets. So watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. So for people who don't know what actually is Compocom software, so it is a computer training company, and if you see the various projects that it undertakes comes under e-governance projects, educational projects, and software design and development projects regarding electronic media, IT, as well as training and learning solutions. So these are the major business of the company, and it generates the financials and profits mainly after providing the services regarding the computer training. So even when we see the market cap of the company, so roughly it is around 60 crores, a very small company, and if we see the financials of the company are pretty good. So in the previous quarter as well it has reported positive results. So it is a penny stock, so we know what will be the risk regarding penny stock as well. So we'll discuss what are the major merits as well as what are the weaknesses that should be noted. So first we'll move on to the updates, and then we'll switch over to the rest of all updates. So first, if we see what is the update, that today it has given almost 4% up move. So today it has not given any direct upper circuit. So currently it is having normal trading. So generally direct upper circuit are not seen in this particular stock since the past. If we take 1 month back also, it used to give only small movement, but major direct upper circuit were not seen. So if we see what is the update, so clearly you can see company has received an order for providing ICT computer lab related services and supply of related items in almost 53 schools. So this was the news which was given by the Rajasthan Council of School Education, RCSC, worth almost 7.26 crore for 5 years. So 5 years, so this project will be undertaken by Compocom software in the various schools, that is almost 53 schools, for providing the computer training facilities. So this is one positive news for the company, and compared to the market cap, and if we see the order value is also very good and beneficial for the company in generating good financials. So that's why today the stock has given some positive move. So one important thing in this, that promoter is having a very good holding in this particular company, and he has not sold anything since the past 5 years. So constant holding is present. So when we generally see any penny stock, we see either promoter holding will be very less or continuous activity will be present, that is buying and selling. So that sort of activity is not present, so constant holding is present. So that is a good point for the company. So as we discussed, the market cap of the company is only 60.14 crore. So very small company. And if we see what is interesting here, dividend. So dividend it is providing is almost 4%. So penny stock, good financials, and also dividend it is providing is almost 4%. And another important thing is that it is a low debt company. So debt which is present on the company is completely negligible. And if you see the deliverable quantity, so clearly you can see percentage deliverable quantity has also increased in small way, but the traded quantity has also reduced. So that we'll find out in the volume analysis. So if we see the major strengths of the company, so you can clearly see company is with loaded and increasing revenue on every quarter. So company is with zero promoter pledge. So whenever we discuss about any stock, we consider pledging as one of the major factor to describe the management of the company. So clearly we can see promoter has not done any pledging, and if we see FIIs are increasing their holding and high dividends with rising yields for the last 5 years. So you can see dividends are also being paid on regular basis, and also they are increased since the past 5 years, which is very good. So next when we see the financials of the company, so financials are also very important. So if we see the financials, so if we see revenue has increased 29.19% year on year, so this is the June ended quarter result. So net income has also rose 64.45%, and also net profit margin has increased at 27.4%. So even when we compare with the previous quarter, that is March quarter, also it has reported very good result. So penny stock, high dividend, low debt company, good financials, as well as promoter having good holding. Okay, so completely we can see decent financials as well as management of the company. So when you see the historical promoter holding in CompuCom Software, so clearly you can see 70, 70, 70. So in September 2018, 70% was present. So later on, he kept on increasing, but without any sort of decrement in the holding. So in June also, June 2019 also, we have seen 73%. Later he has increased, and currently we are having 74.2%. So whenever the management is having the trust, so then only they increase the shareholding. But as usual, you need to remember, when a penny stock you're investing, you should invest only small quantities, and rest of all it's up to you. So whether you want to average or not, so I am suggesting to invest only in small portion. Let's say 1500 to 2000 would be best investment in a penny stock for long term. Okay, so invest one time investment and then leave it. Okay, so later again when any major updates come, then you can average. So that would be best rather than investing entire investment at a time. So when we see the volume analysis, so clearly on 16th October, you can see 53% deliverable quantities was present, and you can observe percentage wise little drop is present, but important thing to be noted that many shares are being added into the demat account rather than having excess trading. So whenever the light blue color bars are more, it implies that heavy trading is present, and you need to be little cautious, because when heavy traded quantity is present at any point of time, profit booking will happen, so the stock will start correcting. In the reverse way, if you see when traded quantity is reducing and deliverable quantity is increasing, so then it implies that stock in the coming sessions may give some positive movement. So that depends upon the market sentiment and also on the operator activity. So clearly, since it is bound with little positive news, so even when the market is cooperating with it, it is giving the positive movement. So we'll discuss the levels where we can enter or levels to watch for the next sessions. So before that, if we see what the indicators are adjusting, so this is very important. So clearly you can see money flow index has completely approached the oversold region. So basically when we discuss about money flow index, there will be two regions. So one is overbought region and another one is oversold region. So whenever any stock approaches oversold region, so we know that possible reversal happens, and whenever it approaches overbought region, so we know that pullback happens. So clearly we can see it is in the oversold region. That is a strong indication, completely oversold. 20.2 is completely oversold. So from there we can expect a best buy along with the best financials. Okay, so we have analyzed all the financials. Okay, complete everything is decent, nothing we can say extraordinary. Okay, it's a penny stock, so you need to understand what will be the risk and also what can be the reward. So when we see the returns of the company, so this is also very important. So returns wise, 1 week only 2.68% returns were given, 1 month minus 4.38, and 1 year also only 2% negative returns, and 3 years 41.6% negative returns. So dividend was being paid by the company. For dividend itself, many people were investing in this particular stock. I have received many requests regarding CompuCom Software, what can be the next level. So today, since the positive news is bounded for it, and also we'll discuss the best levels now. So when we discuss the technicals of the company, so currently we are in the 1-day chart of CompuCom Software. So clearly we are seeing some sort of when upward movement is given in the stock, again simultaneously downtrend, again up move, again downtrend. So today you can see clearly a W type pattern is formed. So what is the support for the company? 7 rupees. So clearly you can see 7 rupees is the support for the company. So where it has approached 2 times, so double bottom has been formed by the company. So since positive news is present, so definitely you can add at the 7 rupees level. So strictly you can follow 7 rupees as a very good support for the targets of 8 rupees. You can assume the targets. Okay, so currently it's near 7.4, it's fluctuating between 7.4 7.5. So 7 rupees will be the best level, or if you want to have add at 7.5 as well, you can add at 7.5 for targets of 8 rupees. Okay, as well as if further the market sentiment is positive, then 8 plus can be easily achieved. So this is the short term target. So many people will be asking what are the short term targets. So for that short term, for long term also definitely you can hold it as usual, invest in small portions and leave it. So dividend you will also get, and also the financials are decent, so nothing negative financials are reported by the company. So little movement will be present, operator activity will be present, so you should not have any panic situation. So definitely you can hold for long term as well and hold with small quantity. So best level is 7 rupees for targets of 8 plus, so that is short term target, and rest of all for long term also you can add. So clearly as we discussed, money flow index is in the oversold region, so it is showing some recovery, so which is also seen today in movement. Okay, hope everything is clear regarding Compocom software. So I've discussed the fundamentals of the company, and also we have seen the financials followed by the technical charts. So if you like the video, definitely like it, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel. So until then, take care, bye bye.